Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how I'd invest $1,000 in today's market. So what stock I'd invest in and how I'd spread out that $1,000. But yeah, before we get into the video, please give the video a thumbs up, and also if you like the content, then please subscribe down below. Help us get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year, please. But yeah, let's just get into this video. So yeah, this video is more so directed towards newer investors in the stock market, but also anyone else who's currently in the stock market and is looking for potential good stock to invest in. But yeah, so I'll be going through how I would invest $1,000 today if I was to get into the market right now. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So without further ado, so here is the first stock or my first investment. So $1,000. So I'd put 20% in a long-term growth stock such as Tesla or Apple, a stock that I could see myself holding for 5 to 10 years. So when I go into investing, I put my money into Tesla. So I put a heavy amount into Tesla. That was my pick, and luckily Tesla is doing very well compared to Apple, which is still around that 118 cost base post split, and you've got Tesla which reached $600 yesterday. So yeah, Tesla's doing very well. So yeah, so I'd put 20%, so $200 into a long-term stock that you're gonna hold for the next 5 to 10 years, and for me that's Tesla. And yes, I know Tesla's went up a significant amount in the past week, whereby it's trading at its all-time highest. But the way you need to think about it is, do you see Tesla in 5 to 10 years time being any lower than it is now, below that $600 cost base? And the answer is no. So this makes for a good long-term investment. Even if Tesla only goes up a certain amount, like 10%, that's still more money than what you've put in, so you've still got money out. But in 5 to 10 years time, there's no way Tesla will still be at this cost base. You still make a profit on your investment. Tesla is a great long-term stock that I would hold for even up to 10 years. When I have kids, when I'll just keep holding Tesla. But yeah, the next investment I'd make is I'd put 20% into a retail stock such as Nordstrom, just to take advantage of the current pandemic we're at now, whereby retail is badly beaten due to the economy and retail stores not being able to open due to what's going on in the whole COVID-19 situation. So yeah, I take advantage of the current climate that we're in now, and my top pick in terms of retail stock would be Nordstrom. So I've actually got a lot of videos on our channel regarding Nordstrom, so I'll tag it down below, so check those videos out. So this for me is my top retail stock pick, and this is a company that was trading at $40 before COVID back in February. Then now post COVID, it's now sitting at $25, and this is a company that I can see getting back up to that $40 cost base, and as well as exceeding it. So their third quarter just came out last week, which showed that their online sales lacked in 54% of their revenue, so 1.6 billion. So their online sale is booming. Then imagine post-COVID when all the stores are back open and you've got online sale performing at an all-time high, and you've got in-store purchases, in-store sale, in-store revenue. This stock is going to do so well, and it's going to exceed that $40 cost base that it was at the start of the year. So it's just a matter of when. So when we've got vaccines rolling out and stores are all opening, then we can see the stock outperform what it's doing now. So yeah, that's my top pick in terms of retail stocks. So far it's 20% in Tesla and 20% in Nordstrom retail stock. Then we've got 60% left. So the next stock I'd pick would be TTCF. So I'd put 30% into TTCF, only because this for me is a stock that I see even short term outperforming, doing very well, and potentially giving you 100% return. So I actually did our last video was on TTCF, so definitely check that video out. So this is a stock that's now trading at $15, so it's below $16, so it's one of its all-time lows. So over the past few weeks, it's just been kind of going down, but this is a company that in the future, even a year to 2 time, this company is gonna double and be at that $30 to $40 cost base. This is a company with great product and a great team behind it. And 2021, they're planning to inject $2 billion into marketing, and this is a company that's been doing so well with no marketing, with a 65% increase year over year in revenue and a 288% increase year over year in sales. So this is a company that I can see long term going places. So it's got so much potential, so much growth potential, and the product itself. But yeah, definitely check out our last video. So we did a video on TTCF, so definitely check that video out. It's very detailed and it'll give you all the information that you need. So yeah, so that's 70% of your $1,000. So I wouldn't recommend investing in more than 3 stocks, because when we talk about diversity in the stock market, we don't mean investing in 20, 30, 40, 50 stocks, because it's hard to find up to 40 winning stocks. It's even hard to find 10 winning stocks. So you don't want to be gambling thinking the more stocks you invest in, the less likely you are to lose money. The best thing to do is to do your research, and if you found 3 great companies that looks good, then invest your money in those 3 great company and trust your research and your due diligence, and it will pay off. But yeah, for the remaining 30%, that 30%, the $300, I just hold. So keep it aside for when there's any dips or any red days in the market. So if a stock is underperforming, don't panic. So just buy more, average down your cost base. So if you bought at $20 cost base, it's now trading at $15. Just buy the dips, so buy at that $15 cost base, then it'll average out, so you'll probably be at like $17, $18. So when the stock starts to climb back up, your profit will be even more. So don't let the dips scare you. Take it as an opportunity to buy more and add to your shares, because it's the dips that makes you successful in the stock market, and having money on the side means you don't miss out on opportunities. But yeah, so I'm just gonna give some of my best advice for any new investors watching this video. So first advice here is don't let the dips scare you. Don't let the red days scare you. Buy the dips. If you've done your research and you've done your due diligence, then you should believe in your company and you just add to it. So even when it's trading down, there must be a reason behind it. So maybe check the news, do your research, type up whatever stock it is, then there should be a news column. Maybe something came out and investors got scared, so people start selling out, but that doesn't mean you should get scared too. So do your research and stick to your stocks. Then another advice would be to keep reading and keep educating yourself regarding the stock market. So keep reading books, keep watching videos, YouTube videos, Warren Buffett. Just keep educating yourself regarding the stock market, because even the best investors don't know everything, and we all just have to keep educating ourselves and keep up to date. Then the next advice is don't fall for this fear of missing out. So FOMO. So when you see a stock running up huge, don't think you need to buy into it and just follow it because it's going up huge and you think it'll keep going up. If you've not done your research or due diligence in a stock, then it's not worth investing in. So don't follow that fear of missing out, because that's when you start losing money. And lastly, make sure to do your own due diligence and research before investing in any stock. But yeah, that's the end of the video. And guys, like I said, please subscribe down below. Help us get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year. I'm begging you. But yeah, if you like the content, then check out our other content. So we talk about stocks, we talk about financial advice, investing, just anything really regarding the stock market and investing, helping you make money and helping you save money. So yeah, subscribe down below and follow the million mile journey, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.